In the world of fashion, the magic lies in the details. From everyday wear to red carpet couture, trims and laces shape the story of every outfit. Embellishments, zari, crochet, ribbons, braids, tassels, tags, zippers, threads, hangers, and mannequins. All the tiniest elements leave the biggest style impact in fashion's grand performance. Lace, trims, accessories, machineries. India's apparel market is set to cross $146 billion by 2032. And the demand for detailing is skyrocketing. With India's apparel market climbing, the demand for quality trims is bigger than ever. Looking at the growth of the segment, we are presenting you a magnificent platform where apparel essentials are at the forefront. Lace and Trim Show, a showcase of innovations, aesthetics, and must-haves for the apparel industry. Meet garment manufacturers, fashion designers, export houses, buyers, and quality control experts, all under one roof. Co-located with Garment Technology Expo, organized by GTE and IEML. Showcase your latest creations, discover fresh suppliers, ensure high visibility, explore, engage, expand. At Lace and Trim Show,